Well, I think those are for me.
I told you that it's about for me.
Yours is in the basket.
Oh.
Get up in your seat.
Where's the chocolate? This is chocolate and mine.
I know.
Isn't that there too?
Look at them.
Look at them.
What's that eat them? I just
Look.
want to get one.
Try one of them. Try one of them.
Oh.
The hummingbird eggs.
You like those? Can you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Okay.
All right.
I told my dad days when he makes me extra chocolate.
Yeah, big chocolate butter rabbit.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I thought it was right here before. It's on my seat.
What do you say?
He said it's on my seat.
It's on your seat.
How many more do you need to find?
There's 2 more
2 more.
over here underneath Bella's bow.
Go look over there in that tall grass.
Check out the flower bed over there.
Yeah, go look in the mondo grass.
Yeah,
I see it.
you did.
Is that all of them there?
All right. You gonna open it up, see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you want to go do that at? Over here on the concrete? All right, can we hold it? Be careful, don't let it fall out what's in there. The chickens might get it. I tell you, it's hard to
There
get
you
open.
go, you got it.
What is in there?
What's in it?
Well, what was it? Was it a bug?
It was a mushroom.
It is milk.
It was what?
It is milk.
M&M's. Yep. Who likes